Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, today we're going to be taking a look at a Seiko 5, as you can see by this Seiko 5 box. Yes, this is the new Seiko 5 box, slightly different than the black and white regular Seiko boxes, and you've got this patterned box here. There you got the normal instruction booklet and warranty booklet, so you could see what I mean. A type of textured colors on there. Steel, a lot smaller than the regular Seiko box. And here we got the watch. We are unboxing the SRPD55 today, and this is pretty much a straightforward type of watch design. Black with a black bezel and a stainless steel band. A classic, definitely. And there you can see the clasps, a very nice clasp and a very nice watch for this price point, definitely. Seiko 5 seems to really hit it out of the park when they came out this year. The models are based on the SKX design, the head of the watch. And there you can see the movement a little bit there. The movement is based on the Seiko 4R movements. And you can see a very handsome watch. The movement is specifically a 4R36 movement. The crystal is a Hardlex crystal, and it's an automatic and winding watch. If you're not familiar with the 4R36, it's one of Seiko's go-to movements as of late in the last few years. So you can wind it like a wind-up watch, or it does it with movement as well. Now you might look at this watch and go, man, this looks like a cool looking dive watch. Let me stop you there. It is not a dive watch. It just looks like a dive watch. It feels like a dive watch, but it is not a dive watch. It is only 100-meter depth, and that means basically you can get it wet, not really for diving or any submerging. It does not have a screw down crown. Here you can see it on my wrist. It is 42.5 diameter, and the length 46 millimeter. It's a good size. It's about average, not too big, not too small. It feels smaller than it says it is. So let's take it out and look in the dark. And here you can see it's got some nice lume on it. Not all the Seiko 5s have lume, so take a look if you need the lumes on the watch. Thanks guys, thank you for taking the time to check out this video. Have a good one.